Woorank is a company based in Brussels. It's a startup that we started 7 years ago with the promise of helping digital marketers and people who work in the SEO space to acquire lots of data and then present that to them in a meaningful way. We started out in the very beginning with a monolithic application years ago in the very first years. But quite quickly we started ripping things apart into microservices, and that's where kind of our modern infrastructure kind of started out. We started containerizing all of the applications, which made it much easier for the developers and the operations people to have a common language and make things easier to deploy. Since we've been doing microservices for many years, our tool as we sell it to our clients under the covers is actually 50 applications that is still maintained by and developed on by a quite small team. And what Kubernetes helps us to do is maintain these things, make sure they run all the time, make sure we won't have to wake up at night when things go wrong. Our way of contributing back is also by joining this community. So it's for us a reason to show our appreciation on what's going on in this framework and showing that it works for us, and we just want to be an active member of this thing. But sometimes things can drift, maintainers drop out, and projects go haywire. So for us it was indeed important to have something on top of that we know, okay, this is a trusted entity. We know that whatever project gets taken into this or under this umbrella it's taken very serious. So that's very important to us. Yeah. So I think what made us experiment and play with these things very early on was the whole idea of containerization. So I think that was an important step for us even before we knew we were going to follow this journey. Having things in containers makes life so much easier, because you don't have to worry, okay, things are running on a developer's machine, how do we get it in production? It's just one thing that you throw around. Another learning from our journey is that once everything is containerized, it's easy to start with maybe a few applications. That's how we went on this journey. We slowly moved a few things onto a small cluster and then just increased the load and brought in more applications. And I think over a course of a couple of months, that's how we worked, got more and more applications until we were 100% on Kubernetes and could turn off all the other servers in the old infrastructures.